Welcome to the final part of our series on building an AI-powered content ecosystem for substantial online income. We've looked at incredible individual tools, but the real magic happens when they work together. Imagine combining all the power of these tools: content generation, visual design, video creation, and income conversion. This is not just a collection of apps, it's a complete ecosystem. ChatGPT gives you endless ideas and content outlines, while Canva turns those ideas into stunning, scroll-stopping visuals. InVideo automates the transformation of your content into compelling videos, and System.io is the essential funnel that converts all that traffic into recurring income. Once you see this system, everything becomes simpler. But there is one more crucial tool that brings an element of high professionalism to your entire operation: ElevenLabs. The fifth key tool is ElevenLabs. It creates incredibly realistic AI voiceovers that are virtually indistinguishable from human speech. Voice matters more than you think. A calm, clear, and professional voice builds immediate trust with your audience, which keeps people watching your content longer. Attention leads directly to income, and with ElevenLabs, you can achieve that high-quality audio standard, even if you don't like your own voice. The primary application is creating professional, engaging voiceovers for your YouTube videos, making content production faster and more scalable. You can also use this technology to sell high-quality, realistic voiceover services on freelance platforms, opening up a new income stream. Ultimately, ElevenLabs allows you to drastically improve your content quality, ensuring your message is delivered clearly and professionally every single time. Now let's be honest about the biggest hurdle most people face, even after learning about these tools. Most people will watch a video like this, feel incredibly motivated, but then they do absolutely nothing. It's a common trap. The reason isn't a lack of desire for success, but pure overwhelm. Too many options, too many distractions, leading to analysis paralysis. To break this cycle, you need a simple, actionable path forward. Forget perfection. Focus on movement. Here is your simple path. Pick one tool, commit to one method, and critically, take one action today. Just start. Clarity does not magically appear from thinking or planning. It comes from the feedback you get when you start doing the work. This is your strong call to action. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. If you are ready to learn exactly how to turn these tools into real, sustainable income step by step, check the links we've provided in the description below. And if you are serious about making money online, subscribe to this channel. Because here, we don't just talk about ideas, we build proven systems. Welcome to the video. We're diving into two powerful AI tools that are quietly generating income for beginners online. Most people think making money online is complicated, requiring experience, skills, or even huge investment to start. They believe you need experience, skills, or even investment to start. But what if the real problem is not lack of opportunity, but lack of the right tools? Right now, thousands of people are quietly earning online using artificial intelligence, not because they are smarter, but because they understand how to use simple tools in the right way. In this video, you are not going to see random AI tools. You are going to discover tools that actually connect to income. Tools that turn ideas into content, content into traffic, and traffic into money. But here is something important to understand. AI will not make you rich overnight, but it can remove the biggest barrier: starting. Let's begin with the first tool, the powerful conversational AI, ChatGPT. At first glance, it looks like a simple chatbot, but psychologically, it does something powerful. It removes decision fatigue. Most beginners fail not because they are lazy, but because they don't know what to do next. ChatGPT gives you direction instantly. You can use it to write blog posts, create Fiverr gig descriptions, generate YouTube scripts, or answer questions on platforms like Quora or Reddit. Now imagine this. Instead of thinking for hours, you type one prompt and get a complete structure in seconds. That speed creates momentum. And momentum is what most people are missing. But a tool alone is not enough. You need a system. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write answers on Quora, attach your affiliate link, and slowly build passive income. Simple, repeatable, scalable. Now let's move to the second tool, the visual powerhouse, Canva AI. Humans are visual creatures. We are naturally attracted to colors, faces, and contrast. This is not random, it's psychology. Canva allows you to create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, digital products, and even professional ebooks and templates. And here's where money comes in. You can design thumbnails for YouTubers, Instagram posts for businesses, or sell templates online. This is possible even if you have zero design experience. Because Canva simplifies complexity. It removes the fear of, I can't design. And when fear disappears, action begins. Welcome to part 2. Today, we're diving into how you can grow a successful YouTube channel using faceless content and automation tools. Now think about this. What if you could create powerful videos without ever showing your face? Imagine creating content without recording your voice or even appearing on camera and still achieving significant growth. This approach is absolutely possible, and it's where our third powerful tool comes into play to help you grow your YouTube channel. The third tool is an AI video generator like InVideo AI or Pictory. These platforms are incredible because they transform simple text scripts into complete videos automatically. You write a script, and the AI takes over, generating the visuals, the voiceover, and the subtitles for you. This is powerful because it completely removes one of the biggest fears in content creation, being on camera. Now let's look at how people are turning faceless content into real income. They are focusing on high-demand, high-value niches like educational videos, motivational content, or detailed finance and tech analysis. By uploading consistently, they earn through YouTube ads, smart use of affiliate links, and selling their own digital products. This isn't just theory. This successful monetization strategy is already being executed by many creators right now. Let's go deeper. The fourth tool essential for building your income machine is Systeme.io. Most beginners make a critical mistake. They focus intensely on content, but completely ignore the essential business system behind it. Systeme.io provides the infrastructure you need to build landing pages, collect emails, sell digital products, and run your affiliate marketing. Think of it like a machine. Your content brings people in, but the system is what converts those people into consistent income. Without a proper system, you're just generating views. But with a powerful tool like Systeme.io, you are actively building and growing a steady income stream. It's time to move beyond just views and start converting that audience engagement into real, sustainable income.